Infinidat just introduced their biggest update to date, enhancing their Infinidat. Let me start again. Infinidat just introduced their biggest update to date, enhancing their Infinibox enterprise storage platform with higher performance, cyber resilience, and hybrid multi-cloud offering in Azure and AWS. Lots of enterprise hardware companies have updated their offerings with the latest Intel Xeon CPUs, but Infinidat is headed in a different direction using the latest AMD Epyc processors. Infinidat also claims to be the first high-end storage company to allow customers to upgrade just the controller, keeping their existing media. What differentiates Infinidat from their competitors, Stephen?
Well, Infinidat has always been differentiated by being essentially the biggest, baddest storage engine out there, asterisk, apart from the EMC and Hitachi offerings. Now, Infinidat has impressed me over the years by basically unflinchingly and uncompromisingly offering enterprise-grade storage, the real deal for enterprise-grade customers. It's interesting, though, that the company has increasingly moved toward the software-based storage platform approach that we've seen from basically every other storage system. They have a reputation of being really hardware savvy, but frankly, just like everything else out there, it's really all about the software. Infinidat, for the longest time, has been using dual-socket Intel Xeon CPUs in their controllers. Now they've moved to a single-socket AMD platform, and I think that actually has a lot of ramifications and in order to impress us with what AMD has been able to achieve here with their latest Epyc CPUs. Essentially, just as they promised, customers are able to deliver more power, more I/O, more connectivity in a single socket than Intel had in their dual socket offerings until recently. The other aspect of this, as you mentioned, is the fact that Infinidat claims to be the only high-end enterprise storage system that allows you to continue using your old media with a new controller. Whether that's true or not, I guess the other companies may argue, but the bottom line there is that that's actually a really nice, valuable offering in that it allows customers, as the name would suggest, to keep using their existing media going forward. This also, of course, works well with Infinidat's as-a-service customers who are able to contract with the company for storage as a service that can be upgraded and grown as they need it, whether they need additional controller capacity or additional storage capacity. And finally, let's take a look at the cloud. Now, Infinidat has offered their Infuse OS in AWS for a long time. It's nice to see them offering it in Azure. Frankly, Azure has really taken off in the enterprise space as one of the clouds of choice, and so it makes a lot of sense for Infinidat to offer a cloud edition there too. So customers will be able to deploy storage in a hybrid fashion from the data center to the cloud. So overall, I would say it's a really nice upgrade. It really shows what Infinidat is capable of, and as an extra added bonus, it really shows us, I think, what AMD's CPUs are able to offer in an enterprise platform.